Hey everyone, welcome to Utopia Creating the Paradise. How are you all, guys? I hope you all are fine and safe at your place. As you all are aware, we are on vacation in India. It's almost 3 weeks, and this is the last week, and we are finishing all our chores, whatever the pending work. And in that, also, there was a plan to visit temples in India. Our native place is Sangli in Maharashtra, but it is close to border with Karnataka. And the place we are visiting today, Badami and Yadur. Badami and Yadur, these both places are in Karnataka. First, we will visit Badami, which is 200 km from Sangli. So we started around 6 o'clock in the morning, as it will take 5 hours to reach there, and also we need some time for refreshment. It's around 6:30. We reached Kagwad, which is on border of Maharashtra and Karnataka, and we stopped here. Just police are checking our documents for car and as well as our vaccination certificate, and then journey started immediately after that. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this beautiful travel journey. And here we reached to Mahalingpur. On the way, we stopped here to have some yummy breakfast. Yeah, around 11 o'clock we reached Badami, and this is the place where you can see all the mountains and all there. Badami Caves, which are very famous, and it's UNESCO heritage site also. This time we are not visiting that because lack of time. We have to finish both the places. So maybe some other time we will visit. This is the place where the caves are. Those are really beautiful. Maybe next time I can take you all there. Okay, now we are heading towards temple, and we have parked our car in dedicated parking area, and now we are going to temple. These are the shop where you can buy offerings like saris, coconut, fruits, etc. Whatever you want to purchase. By the way, I forgot to tell which temple it is. Actually, it is Banashankari temple. Banashankari is the sixth incarnation of the warrior goddess Durga. and the original temple built by Chalukya king in 7th century, and the present temple it is built in 1750. So let's get inside to take blessing from goddess, but I'm not sure whether they will allow to take video. Let's see. Okay, this is the place we have to go round and round, and this is, I think, because when there is a festival and Navratri, it's like to manage crowd. But I don't know why they made so much narrow road. It's hard to get in, but anyway, as I said, I don't know whether they allow for videography. As usual, they said no. Anyway, the darshan was good, and now here we are having some coconut water. Yes, now this is lunchtime. We are having standing only because here a few ladies they sell jawar and bajra roti with some sabji, but couldn't shoot because it was already late and we wanted to go to Yadur also. So quick we had lunch and now again we started our journey. From Badami to Yadur, it's almost 4 hours. Yeah, 4 hours. And yes, guys, during journey we took nice nap and now we reached Yadur. This is Veerbhadra temple. Veerbhadra is incarnation of Lord Shiva himself, and this temple is situated on the bank of river Krishna. Now let's get inside temple. This temple was founded by Virshav Saint of Karnataka in the 12th century. Few developments still going on. They are developing some areas of temple and also nearby. Here you can see still development going on, and already it's dark now. It's getting late. We have to reach Sangli before too late. After this, videography was not allowed, so couldn't capture. Yes, guys, we are returning to Sangli now. Few days only remaining in India. 3 4 days only in India. We have to get back to Qatar. And I hope you like this temple visit vlog. And if you are new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe. And also follow me on Instagram. And thank you for watching. Stay safe. Take care. See you in next video. Bye bye.